Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Typeform for interactive onboarding apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Typeform website. On the home page, locate and click on the Sign Up button. You will be redirected to a registration page. Here, you can choose to sign up using your email address or connect with Google or Facebook. If you opt for the email method, enter your email address and create a password. Make sure your password is strong and secure. After filling in your credentials, click the Create Account button. Once your account is created, check your email for a confirmation message from Typeform. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Now return to the Typeform website and log in with your newly created credentials. After logging in, you'll enter the Typeform dashboard. Look for the Templates tab on the left side of the dashboard. Click on this tab to explore various interactive onboarding app templates. Select a template that best fits your needs. Once you've found a template, click on it to open the editing interface. Here, you can customize your template by adding your branding and content. To edit any text or questions, simply click on the element you wish to change. Make sure all your onboarding questions are clear and engaging. After customizing your template, look for the Share button at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the Share button to view your sharing options. You can choose to share a link or embed the onboarding app on your website. Review the available plans and select the one that suits your needs best. Click the Get Started button under your chosen plan. Enter your payment details on the checkout page. Ensure all your information is accurate before confirming your purchase. Once your payment is processed, you'll gain access to additional features and support. Return to the dashboard to start building your interactive onboarding experience. Continue to explore the features and tools available to enhance your app. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.